It's been a year since we kicked off Overland NZ, and what a year it's been.
It has been pretty awesome. Thank you guys so much for your support over the past year. We really appreciate it. We're super pumped to get 2019 underway. We've got more adventures, more camping, and more full driving planned around this cool country we call New Zealand.
We're just about to kick off filming for 2019 with our slightly expanded crew, so watch this space. We've got some cool adventures planned. Let's get out there and explore.
May even see you guys on the road. If so, give us a wave. Cheers.